Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my wife and I love discovering luxury hotels, great food, and of course, a good glass of wine. We're always on the lookout for the best value luxury stays, memorable dining experiences, and hidden hotel perks across Asia, so you know what's truly worth your hard-earned money. For this trip, we're spending 3 days, 2 nights at EQ Kuala Lumpur, one of the city's most acclaimed luxury hotels. Our stay includes Equator Club Lounge access, complimentary drinks at Sky 51, and the famous Sunday Sky Brunch at Sabayon, 51 floors above the city. After experiencing everything EQ has to offer, the real question is, will we pay for it again? Stay tuned as we take you along and find out. EQ is centrally located in Kuala Lumpur, within walking distance of KLCC and Pavilion Bukit Bintang, and just a short drive to TRX. The original Hotel Equator was established in 1973, and for decades, it was known as one of Kuala Lumpur's premier luxury destinations. After a full redevelopment, EQ was reborn in 2019 as part of Equator Plaza, a 52-story architectural landmark in the heart of the Golden Triangle. Today, it stands as one of the city's most awarded luxury hotels, with over 400 rooms and suites, award-winning restaurants, and a wellness floor dedicated to relaxation. Reception is on the ground floor, but with the club room, we skip the queue and check in directly at the Equator Club Lounge on level 50. It was a long holiday during our stay, and occupancy rate was close to 80%. The Equator Club Lounge offers an elevated check-in experience with privacy and personalized service. The lounge is spacious with high ceilings and sweeping views of KL skyline, with Petronas Twin Towers on one side and KL Tower on the other. It operates daily from 7 AM to 10 PM, featuring a residential living room style atmosphere with all-day refreshments including soft drinks, coffee, tea and juices. The dress code is smart casual with long pants and covered shoes required, while bathrobe, swimwear, gym attire, flip-flops, slippers and pajamas are not permitted. Children below 12 are also not allowed. This is one of the more strictly managed club lounges, which helps maintain a sense of prestige, privacy and exclusivity for guests. Club guests can enjoy complimentary 1-hour usage of the boardroom with spectacular views over the Petronas Twin Towers. Now let's take a look at our club room. All club rooms are located on level 47 and above. Our 40 square meter club room offers stunning views of the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. The room feels modern and elegant, featuring automated blackout curtains, a 55-inch HD TV, a full-size bathtub, and a comfortable chaise lounge by the window, perfect for taking in the city skyline. Guests are welcome with a fruit platter and chocolates, while the complimentary minibar and snacks are replenished daily. The bathroom is stocked with premium Bulgari amenities. We were also pleased to find the same Bulgari amenities available in the washroom at the Equator Club Lounge. Booking a club room comes with several key benefits. For breakfast, guests can choose between the wider selection at Nipah or the more private and exclusive lounge. The experience continues throughout the day with afternoon tea and evening cocktails, plus complimentary pressing of 2 garments per day. Instead of an espresso machine, the room is equipped with a Nescafe Dolce Gusto machine, which feels a little underwhelming. The tea selection was also fairly basic, with both tea provided instead of premium brands such as TWG or Twinings. We secured a great deal through luxury escapes, which also included valuable perks such as complimentary rooftop cocktail per adult each night at Sky 51 and ringgit dining credit redeemable at any restaurant within EQ. If you're planning a stay, you can book through my affiliate link at no additional cost. I'll leave a link in the description below. During the evening turn-down service, the housekeeping team thoughtfully prepared the room and left behind a complimentary pillow mist, chocolate and a thank you note. From 3 to 4:30 p.m, guests can enjoy a relaxing afternoon tea at the lounge. Expect a selection of savoury bites, pastries, cakes and freshly brewed coffee or tea, all served in a quiet and elegant setting overlooking the Kuala Lumpur skyline. Snacks and non-alcoholic beverages are available throughout the day. We were particularly pleased to see Perrier sparkling water on offer. That's surprisingly rare in club lounges at this price point. From 5:30 to 7:30 p.m, the evening cocktail service offers a generous spread of canapes, hot dishes and desserts, paired with wine, cocktail and other beverages. The lounge itself was mostly quiet, and apart from a few other guests, we practically had the space to ourselves. Special mention to Shafiq, Virtiga and Krishnan for taking such good care of us throughout the stay. We were especially impressed with the wine selection, particularly the Chianti Classico. However, the absence of sparkling wine was a slight letdown. Overall, the food quality was good, and the selection was enough to easily replace dinner. Over the 2 nights we were there, the food selection rotated, offering slight variations each evening, which helped keep the experience fresh and interesting. Breakfast at the Equator Club runs from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. While the selection is more limited compared to the main restaurant, it offers a more private and personalized dining experience. Breakfast at Nipah runs from 6:30 to 10:30 am. It offers a much wider selection, though it is noticeably more crowded compared to the lounge. Spread includes local favorites like nasi lemak, roti canai, teh tarik, as well as dim sum and a variety of international options. The Infinity Pool and Fitness Center are located on level 29. From here, guests are treated to panoramic views of the city skyline. The Infinity Pool is the highlight, offering a stunning vantage point with the iconic KL Tower and Merdeka 118 Tower standing in the background. The hotel gym is equipped with the latest techno gym equipment and operates 24/7. After indulging in great food and drinks, it was probably time to burn off some calories. So before our next meal, we squeeze in a quick workout and make good use of the facilities. Located on level 51 of EQ Hotel, right next to Sky 51, Sabayon offers one of the most impressive dining experiences in Kuala Lumpur. Sunday Sky Brunch is held only once on the last Sunday of every month, making it a truly special occasion that's worth planning ahead for. 4-course brunch is priced at 198 ringgit per person, which we felt was excellent value, especially considering the quality of the food and those stunning panoramic skyline views. We also opted for the free flow beverage package at an additional 228 ringgit per person, and it turned out to be one of the best value champagne brunches we've ever experienced. The experience begins with premium starters, Irish oysters, salmon paired with ikura, and tiger prawn ceviche. For our entree, we went with baby Roman salad and the marinated tomato dish, both light and refreshing. To pair with the entree, we had a chablis, crisp, elegant, and the perfect match for the lighter course. The beverage package also included a gin and tonic trolley featuring premium gin labels such as Four Pillars, Monkey 47, and The Botanist. As we progressed to the main course, we opted for the Pinot Noir from Burgundy, served in a proper glassware that really enhanced the experience. The main of the day was lamb rack, perfectly cooked and served with roasted potatoes, seasonal vegetables, Yorkshire pudding, and crumpets on the side. One of the best parts of the experience was the service. The team was attentive, warm, and incredibly generous with the pourings. Our glasses were hardly ever empty. For desserts, guests can choose between the dessert trolley or the cheese platter, and we opted for the dessert trolley. We rounded up our brunch experience with a glass of Monkey 47 gin and tonic. This was one of the most impressive brunch experiences in Kuala Lumpur. From the level 51 skyline views to the well-executed 4-course menu. The standout was definitely the beverage package, free-flow champagne, quality burgundy wines, and a proper gin and tonic trolley. Service was also excellent, with generous pouring and attentive staff. At 198 ringgit for brunch and an additional 228 ringgit for the drinks package, the value is generally strong for what's being offered. If you're looking for a special occasion brunch in KL, this one is worth planning for. Sky 51 isn't just a rooftop bar, it's a view with a price tag. An open terrace where every seat feels premium and every moment is framed by the skyline. Thank goodness for the complimentary cocktails, because the price here is definitely on the higher side. Up here, you're not just paying for the drinks, you're paying for the view. And honestly, the view does most of the talking. Another perk of staying at EQ is the complimentary Tesla destination charges. Located on lower ground 1, there are 3 charging bays available for Tesla owners. Despite being open to the public, I managed to secure a spot and fully charge my Tesla, making the drive back to Penang a little sweeter. Overall, it was a great experience and well worth staying in EQ Club Room with lounge access. The highlights were the incredible skyline views, the Sunday brunch at Sabayon, and the consistently strong service at the club lounge. There are few areas for improvement, such as introduction of sparkling wine during evening cocktails, upgrading the tea selection, and adding an espresso machine in the room. Now comes the final ranking. Where does EQ Kuala Lumpur stand in my best hotel club lounge experiences? EQ comes in at a respectable number 9. A solid entry in the ranking and one that's worth revisiting. Thank you for watching. If you found our content useful and enjoyable, do consider subscribing for more hotel stays, dining experiences, and travel insights.